Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 sentences about my favorite toy. Number 1. My favorite toy is a teddy bear. Number 2. It is very soft. Number 3. I named it Buddy. Number 4. Buddy has a smiling face. Number 5. It is brown in color. Number 6. I like dressing Buddy up. Number 7. It gives me comfort when I am sad. Number 8. I have had it since I was a child. Number 9. I take Buddy with me to bed every night. Number 10. My favorite toy is truly special to me. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.